My name is Nathaniel Amponsa, the instructor of the Africa STEM Academy. Today we had a practical on the traffic light, how the traffic light works. Seeing it from outside, I thought it's a difficult thing. But today, doing it practically, I really enjoyed it. The kids did enjoy, everybody was able to do it.
My name is Alexis Sood. Today we have a practical training with the STEM Ace, which is the traffic lights. We see traffic lights outside. We thought it is very difficult. Not knowing it is easy to program it.
Hello, my name is Godfrey. The feedback from the kids were very interesting. They were able to program it on their own, even though some are having some issue. But at the end of the whole lesson, they were able to do it on their own.